it's me, Eagle Legend Edits. In today's video, I'm going to be playing Driving Empire, and I have a couple cars in this game. And I'll have to show you the cars and what we're gonna do with them in this video. So the first car is this McLaren 600 LT Coupe, I believe, and I have this nice orange paint on it, carbon fiber hood, this nice orange exhaust, and this nice white rims, and a Pennsylvania plate from Iowa, PA. Now the second car is this McLaren 600 LT Comp, I believe. I don't know. Let me check again. 2015 McLaren 720S Coupe. This is what the car is, and this is one of my cars that I haven't upgraded yet. It's still a pretty cool car, and I really have nothing. Now the third card. Would you please? Oh my god. This is the third car. It's this McLaren 765 LT with white rims and with a really cool paint job onto it. I have no turbo, no no better engine in it, but in the future I'll definitely do that again to it. And finally, last is this, let me read it. 2016 Noble M600 Speed Tier. This car, I had upgraded, I had changed the colors, and I had, put, orange exhaust on it. This is the last car, and I'll definitely keep you posted in the future. And that's it for today's video. Bye.